Very good morning, class third. Yes, we have done some questions of exercise 11, right? Yes. Now we will do again some other questions. And do this work in your fair copy and do neat and clean work. Yes. Now start from question number 5 is the first question of, right? Today's first question is question number 5 of exercise 11. O means ones, T means tens, H stands for 100 and TH stands for 1000. So step 1 is, as it is, step 1 is arranging the given digits in column wise. So this is already arranged, right? It means we will start from step 2. Step 2 is subtracting the ones. So see the ones position, 1 or 9. It means we want to subtract 9 from 1, but it is not possible because 9 is greater than 1. Clear? Yes. Now from the tens position we borrow 110, and if 110 is borrowed, then leaving behind 710, and 110 plus, and in ones position 110 plus 1 ones. 110 means 10 plus 1 is 11 ones. So it is easily possible. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is 12, right? So write 2 under the ones column. Now in tens position, step 3 is subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 6 from 7. It is possible. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So write 1 under the tens column. And now step 4, subtracting the 100. So we want to subtract 4 from 5. Is it possible? Because 4 is smaller than 5. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. And in 1000, now subtracting the 1000, we want to subtract 3 from 6. So 6 minus 3 is 6. So 3112 is the right answer of question number 5. Now see the question number 6. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for 100 and TH stands for 1000. So 5340 minus 1982, right? Yes. So step 2 is, because step 1 is already exists, right? This is already arranged in column wise. Now question number 6, we want to subtract 2 from 0, but it is not possible because 2 is greater than 0. So from the tens column we borrow 110, leaving behind 310, and in ones position 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10 ones. So now we want to subtract 2 from 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So write 8 under the ones column, right? Now step 3 is subtracting the tens. We want to subtract 8 from 3, but it is not possible because 8 is greater than 3. So now in 100 column we borrow 100. So leaving behind 2, and in tens position 100 plus 310. 100 plus 310 becomes 13, right? Yes. So 13 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. So 13 minus 8 is 5. So we write 5 under the tens column. Now subtracting the 100, we want to subtract 9 from 2, but it is not possible because 9 is greater than 2. So from the 1000 column we borrow 1000 leaving behind 4, and 1000 plus 200 is 1200, right? So 1200 minus 900 becomes 12 minus 9 is 3. So write 3 under the 100 column. Now subtracting 1000, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3358 is the right answer. Now question number 8. O stands for ones and T stands for tens, H stands for 100 and TH stands for 1000. Now step 1 is already done. Now step 2 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 7 from 5. But it is not possible because 7 is greater. Then from the tens column we borrow 110 leaving behind 7. So 110 plus 0 ones becomes 15 ones. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 ones minus 7 ones. 15 minus 7 is 8. So write 8 under the ones column. Now subtracting the tens, we want to subtract 8 from 7. But it is not possible because 8 is greater than 7, right? So from the 100 column, we borrow 100 and leaving behind 6, and 100 plus 710 becomes 17. 17 tens, right? So 17 tens. So 17 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. So write 9 under the tens column. Now in 100 column, so we want to subtract 9 from 6. But it is not possible, 9 is greater than 6. So now from the 1000 column, we borrow 1000 leaving behind 2, and 1000 plus 600 becomes 16. 1600. Now 1600 minus 900 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 700. So write 7 under the 100 column. Now in 1000 column, so we want to subtract 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So write 0 under the 1000 column. Now see the question number 10. 3600 means 3600 minus 2975 means 2975. Right? So step 1 is already done. Now step 2 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 5 from 0. But it is not possible because 5 is greater than 0. So from the tens position, but there is also a 0. So from the 100 column, we borrow 100 and leaving behind 5. Now here is 10, right? Now we borrow 110 from the tens position and leaving behind 9, and in tens position 110 plus 0 ones becomes 10. So now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Now in 100 position we want to subtract 9 minus 5. So it is not possible because 9 is greater than 5. So we borrow 1000 leaving behind 2, and 1000 plus 500 becomes 1500. So 15 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. So write 6 under the 100 column. And now in 1000 column, we want to subtract 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so write 0, right? And do the 2 questions is your homework, right? And do this work in your fair copy. Okay, thank you so much class and have a nice day.